We are now in what is known as the Narangestan garden. I think there is a museum. I didn't understand, I just like took a ticket. I know you have to pay a ticket to get inside gardens in Iran. I don't know if it's like part, like the museum is part of it. But... goldfishes. Do they have like carps like I saw in Shiraz? I don't think so, but they have nice little goldfishes. I don't know if you can see them. I could actually put the GoPro inside the water, but I don't trust my GoPro. The screen is broken. I have to say that the city, by the weather and the vibe, it gives like not Turkish, yeah, Turkish or European, yeah, Occidental side, unlike Shiraz, that is more like Oriental, way more Oriental. I don't know who these guys are mostly professors from the University of Tehran. And there's one head missing, I don't know. I don't know if it's understandable, but the city has more of a capital of a country vibe. It's stupid. Of course it has. Who is this guy? I don't know. Has a nice hat. It was actually hidden here in Iran all this time. There's the fake one in Paris. They told me I wasn't allowed to film, but I break all the rules. I'm a rock star. Wow. Salam. Photo. The women guarding this museum do not let you film at any cost, so it's very hard. Look at the beauty of these carpets. The women guarding are super fierce, like they. The metro station is actually so clean compared to the Paris one. It's crazy. Finally, after reading so much about him, I finally meet the guy. He doesn't look like I wanted him to look. Very nice carpet, and it's written that, you know, the knots, there is one knot per visitor, and like the number of knots in the carpet, it's the number of visitors there were the moment they showed it. And this is a brand new statue of Soleimani, who was killed by Donald Trump. It's Subway, but fresh way. The Tehran Subway is amazing. Not only is it a cheap, clean way of transportation, it is also a moving bazaar with people selling everything from candies to bells to fans, even televisions. And they also have music somewhat. You'll see a little girl selling gums, asking a guy selling, I don't know, it was tissue or something, selling anything to use. It's his ATM. I can't hide this video. I wanted to show it to you because this kid is out here selling gums instead of being at school due to poverty, and it will be an insult to the Iranian people hide poverty away. These people are coming back from their military service. They have like 2 or 3 years of military service in Iran. Just look at this human. Oh, hello. Hello. Look at this beautiful human. Hello. Salam. Get the fuck out. He doesn't want to speak Farsi. Oh, look at them. Why does the water look like a bottle of vodka in here? And I'm getting interviewed. I've just been interviewed by this wonderful man. He speaks like Arabic, Farsi, English, French, Turkish, everything.
أتكلم عربي قليلا.
A great guy.
Rami is a great person.
No, you're greater than me. Behind the Tehran Book Garden, there's this really beautiful place. Like, actually beautiful, especially at night. Look at the lights and everything. That's great. That makes me feel emotional. The bread is making me feel emotional. That's so good. I've just eaten like a full bag of bread, just like this, without nothing. Can I pass one? I'm not. There it is. I don't know if they're actually robbing an airplane or just dismantling it. It's very funny. Wait, that's Iraqi. Ah, no, I think they're actually robbing it. You have tanks. Ah, it's mostly workers. Oof. This is the first shy palm tree I've ever seen in my life. Why are you hiding, bro? What are you hiding, bro, actually? Like, just how? There's actually a way to see inside the helicopter. Look at this beauty. I think there is, I don't know if it's Holy Quran or written. Alright, I'll put the light on. Yeah. Anything? Yeah. Actually nice. And there's always those crazy beautiful mosques everywhere you go. Look at this. Look at the detail. And that's my phrase in Iran. Look at the detail. And that is the Tabiat pole. On the direction, like on the way coming here, I was asking the direction, and I asked the direction to like a group of teenagers, like boys and girls, like they gave me the direction, and one of the girls, because like it's 80 teenagers, she told me fuck off. Like she probably didn't even like really understand what it meant, but I had to say it because it's the first time in 2 weeks that an insult is said toward me, so it's an event, to be honest. Look at the traffic. Look at the bloody traffic.